How to deposit money from Trade Republic. Now, to begin the process of depositing money into your Trade Republic account, first ensure you're fully registered and verified your identity through the Trade Republic mobile app. Now, this verification usually includes submitting personal details, confirming your identity or document upload, and linking your bank account. Once that's complete and your account is activated, open up the Trade Republic app and log in using your credentials. Now, the idea of depositing money is really easy and provides you with a unique IBAN and account details under your name. This is where you're going to be transferring your funds. So open up your app and you're going to get something like this. Just go over to this section over here and it's going to allow you to make that deposit pretty simply. And opening up an account while making the deposit is really simple, really straightforward, and really easy. So just input in the amount you want to deposit right over here. And once you input the amount you want to deposit, Trade Republic usually requires the first deposit to be at least 10 euros, but there's no upper limit unless your bank imposes one. So just add that, and most SEPA transfers are processed within 1 to 2 business days, although it can sometimes appear within a few hours, especially if both banks support instant transfers. So after the transfer, return to the Trade Republic app and wait for the confirmation that your funds have been received. You'll usually get a notification or see the updated balance directly in your portfolio, and once it is done, you're good to go. So just use your Trade Republic IBAN that you get through your account and send your money from your bank or any wallet through that IBAN, and you're good to go. So that is basically how easy and simple it is to deposit money into Trade Republic. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.